What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, the story of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi goes like he retired from the EFF, resigned from party politics, and just focused on his own life, which has nothing to do with politics. And the instigator that pushed him to go to that extreme end is Floyd Shivambu. Floyd, drove this wedge in between Julius and Mbuyiseni by calling Malema not my brother, but then goes on to call Mbuyiseni Ndlozi his brother. So Floyd continued with his political career, but the challenge now is that what goes around comes around. And Floyd Shivambu is now feeling the heat at MK. He is sort of like being forced to also resign the same way that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi resigned. But the problem for Floyd now is that if he resigns at MK, he has nowhere to go. He cannot join any other political party, because, come on, he's got a big image. And to make matters even worse, he can't take, a public job like the one that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi took to be a radio DJ. He'll be the laughing stock of the entire world. How can you fall from the deputy president SG to a radio DJ? So the wheel, it rotated upside down completely. And Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, he has this successful career, is loved by so many listeners who are listening to him. And basically, Mbuyiseni, he now has this last laugh. And it's quite exciting to see for people who've always been standing with Mbuyiseni Ndlozi and saying, you know what, he is innocent. It's so much great to watch Mbuyiseni Ndlozi enjoying that successful career. But it's coming at a cost for Floyd Shivambu, who was trying to turn Mbuyiseni Ndlozi's career upside down. And Mbuyiseni Ndlozi and his fans have this last laugh. I'll catch you guys on the next.